For more than 30 years, the Tech Challenge, presented by Dell Technologies, has asked young innovators to engineer solutions to real-world problems. More often than not, they've worked to solve problems on Earth, like constructing earthquake-safe buildings on Earth, designing a device to cross ravines, also on Earth, and building hovercrafts that can navigate different terrains. You guessed it, on Earth. This year, the Tech Challenge is asking young innovators to explore a distant planet. The mission: launch, land, and expand equipment for scientific research and life support. Registration is now open for 4th through 12th graders. Sign up today for Launch, Land, Expand. Inscríbete a The Tech Challenge hoy.